Hello, children. Welcome to the second library session. Hope you all are enjoying every session of the library. Today, we will discuss about biographies, the books of biography. What is biography and biographical books? A biography books are narration of a person's life. It involves more than just the basic facts like education, work, relationships, and death. It portrays a person's experience of these life events. Unlike a profile or curriculum vitae or resume, a biography presents a subject's life story highlighting various aspects of his or her life, including intimate details of experience, and may include an analysis of the subject's personality. Biographical works are usually non-fiction, but fiction can also be used to portray a person's life. One in-depth form of biographical coverage is called legacy writing. Works in diverse media from literature to film form the genre known as biography. And today I'll give you to read the biography of famous personality Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is a key figure in the introduction of the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. Vivekananda was born as Narendranath Datta in a Bengali family at his ancestral home at 3 Gormohan Mukherjee Street in Kolkata, the capital of British India, on 12th January 1863 during the Makar Sankranti festival. He belonged to a traditional family and was one of 9 siblings. He credited with rising interfaith awareness, bringing Hinduism to the status of a major world religion during the late 19th century. He was a major force in the revival of Hinduism in India and contributed to the concept of Indian nationalism as a tool of fight against the British Empire. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mutt and the Ramakrishna Mission. He is perhaps best known for his speech, which begin with the words Sister and Brothers of America. Now, watch the video and then finish the worksheets, which I will send you after the odd slide. Children, you can see I given you two worksheets. One is about crossword worksheet and another one is Swami Vivekananda's profound messages poster making worksheet. You have to make one poster about Swami Vivekananda and his message. Use your creative brain and do the second worksheet. And for the first worksheet, it is very simple crossword puzzle. Finish it quickly. Best of luck. Hello, children.